In a high-volume continuous production line, machinery and furnaces are under constant strain due to high workloads. Natural wear and tear is to be expected, and entire production lines may come to a halt. Precious production time could be lost. Maintenance is essential. The recommended cycle for furnace maintenance is every 5 to 6 years, and a preventative maintenance process is advised in order to avoid substantial downtimes like in these 10-year-old furnaces. Electrotherm's team has a tailor-made solution. After surveying the furnace in need of maintenance, a custom-made kit is prepared according to specifications at our factory. Ceramic insulation bricks are cast in advance for quick replacement. The kit is then inspected and prepared for shipping along with our team to the customer location. We operate on a global level and can offer our services worldwide. A complete overhaul is then performed on-site and in a predetermined time frame of up to 2 weeks, thus minimizing the production line's inactivity. All of the furnace's parts and elements are checked and serviced. Electronics and control systems can be upgraded to the latest technology, allowing a more efficient and precise operation of the refurbished furnace. After going through full and final inspections, a completely refurbished furnace is then delivered back to the customer in a condition that is equal to 98% of a new furnace at a fraction of the cost. Electrotherm Industry can offer all your maintenance needs in a quick and efficient, low-cost solution. Electrotherm Industry.